What if the most powerful design upgrade for your home inside isn't expensive furniture or trendy decor, but a single wall texture hiding in plain sight? At Hambalung Studio, we uncover the design logic the world forgot, and today we're breaking down a bold idea. One rustic texture can triple your wall's value. This isn't about following trends, it's about rediscovering what truly makes a space feel alive. For years, modern decorating has chased smooth surfaces and perfect finishes, quietly erasing the warmth and character that once defined great interiors. Yet rustic decorating was never meant to disappear. It was meant to evolve. From raw wood to textured stone, these materials speak to something deeper: authenticity, craftsmanship, and the human touch that transforms a house into a home inside. In this episode, we'll explore why this decorating logic was forgotten, how rustic texture changes the way we experience space, and how one intentional choice can elevate your walls beyond decoration into storytelling. If you've ever felt your home was missing something, but couldn't name it, you're about to find the answer. Where one rustic texture changes everything. Imagine walking into a living room where the walls don't just exist, they speak. This is where our topic truly comes alive. One rustic texture triples your wall's value. So why is this decorating logic forgotten? Inside the home, the living room is the heart, and rustic decorating begins with texture. A single reclaimed wood accent wall, rough stone cladding, or even lime-washed plaster instantly adds depth, warmth, and emotional value. The secret isn't filling the room with decor, it's choosing one rustic texture and letting it lead the design. To make this work, start by selecting a focal wall. Install natural wood panels, exposed brick, or textured concrete with imperfections left intentionally visible. Pair it with soft neutral furniture, warm lighting, and minimal accessories so the wall becomes the hero of the space. This decorating logic works because rustic texture adds authenticity, something modern homes often lack. It transforms the living room from a decorated space into a lived-in story, one that feels timeless, grounded, and deeply human. Rustic texture that feels warm, not outdated. Step into the kitchen, where most people forget that walls matter just as much as cabinets. But inside the home, this is where rustic decorating quietly shines. One textured surface, like a stone backsplash or aged wood shelving, can elevate the entire kitchen without overwhelming it. To create this look, focus on a single rustic texture. Install handmade tiles with uneven edges, raw stone slabs, or distressed wood beams above the counters. Keep the rest of the kitchen clean and simple. Matte finishes, warm whites, and natural metals. The beauty of rustic design here is contrast. Modern appliances paired with imperfect textures create balance. This forgotten decorating logic proves that rustic doesn't mean old, it means real. Every time someone steps into your kitchen, they won't just see where meals are made. They'll feel the warmth, the craftsmanship, and the soul of the home inside. A space that feeds more than hunger. The dining room is where conversations linger, and rustic decorating enhances that experience effortlessly. One textured wall can anchor the entire room, turning simple dinners into meaningful moments. To design this space, choose a rustic material like exposed brick, clay plaster, or reclaimed timber. Apply it to the wall behind the dining table. This single texture grounds the space and draws attention naturally, without the need for excessive decor. Pair it with a solid wood table, linen textiles, and soft pendant lighting. The result? A dining room that feels intimate, warm, and intentionally designed from the inside out. This is the power of rustic decorating logic. One material, thoughtfully used, transforms how a space feels, and how people connect within the home inside. unexpected rustic retreat. Bathrooms are often overlooked in decorating, yet they're one of the most powerful places to introduce rustic texture. Inside the home, this space becomes a personal retreat when designed with intention. To make it work, choose one rustic surface, stone walls, textured concrete, or weathered wood accents treated for moisture resistance. Keep the rest minimal, floating vanities, soft lighting, and natural tones. Rustic decorating here isn't about heaviness, it's about calm. The texture adds warmth to an otherwise cold space, turning everyday routines into grounding moments. This forgotten decorating logic reminds us that even the smallest room inside the home deserves character and depth. Where rustic texture connects home to nature. Finally, we step into the garden, the bridge between the home inside and the natural world. Rustic decorating thrives here because nature itself is rustic. Use stone walls, raw wood fencing, or textured concrete planters as your main design element. Let one dominant rustic texture guide the entire garden layout. Surround it with greenery, soft lighting, and natural pathways. The goal isn't perfection, it's harmony. When rustic texture leads the design, the garden feels like an extension of the home, not a separate space. This is where the decorating logic comes full circle. One texture, thoughtfully chosen, creates emotional value everywhere it appears. Today, we uncovered a powerful truth. Rustic decorating isn't outdated, it's underestimated. One carefully chosen texture can reshape how your walls feel, how your rooms function, and how your home inside tells its story. By bringing back this forgotten decorating logic, you don't just design a space, you create meaning, warmth, and value that lasts far beyond trends.